All right, what's up, y'all? It's part 3 of the E46 manual transmission swap. As y'all seen in part 2, we got the manual transmission out. It's the same day. I just wanted to start some of this video because I'm so excited. Like, I'm geeking, I'm not gonna lie. But as y'all can see right here, this is where I drilled that bolt out that went through right here. So I'm sure this transmission, like, if somebody wanted to fix it or whatever, I'm gonna sell it on Facebook. I'm gonna say I don't know what's wrong with it, but something wrong with it. I think second and third. No, I think first, second, and third is slipping. So I think first, second, and third need to be repaired. So if somebody want to do it, I give it to them. $100. I don't know, whatever. Like, just get this thing up out my possession because I don't know what to do with it. I got no use for it. But as y'all can see, standing this up, it's pretty tall. Like, next to me, it's almost at my waist right here. Versus, this is the manual transmission. It's like at my kneecap. It's at my kneecap. So yeah, that's the differences between the two transmissions. This thing really gave me a flux, but looking at the splines and stuff that I can see, they don't look like messed up or anything. So it got to be something deeper into the transmission. Even with I don't even know what this is called, to be honest. This, I think it's called a torque converter. I don't know, don't have me lying. But those of you who know, let me know in the comments. But looking on the inside of this, none of the splines or anything look messed up. So honestly, don't know what's wrong with it. But I know when I took it to BMW, they told me I need a new transmission, and they said the new transmission is gonna be 10K. I'm like, 10K is ridiculous because the transmission probably cost 5K. And if I took it to BMW, like, y'all got all the parts and everything, y'all know the correct steps to take to get this thing out, and it wasn't that hard. It was only hard for me because I don't have a transmission jack. If I had a transmission jack, that would have helped me with that last bolt that I forgot to take off in the last video. That would have helped me a lot if I had a transmission jack, and if I just had a correct way to get this car up off the ground in the first place, it would have been a lot easier for me. So yeah, 10K was crazy. Right now, I'm about to go under the car, see what I'm gonna have to do about the other side of the bolt that's stuck in the engine still, because I can't mess that up. And then I also need to see how to get that line in, the clutch line from the bottom. So stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with a friend who you think might like it.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, pride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, pride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things just started getting tenser. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss ya. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah, who am I? All the niggas around me, watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Heart still on traveling, baby. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. I was pulling off, but they knew me. Sometimes I wish there was two of me, or three of me, when it was you and me. I'm outside in it. I'm
Alright, y'all, so I'm back out here. I'm a little bit tired. Today is my off day. I actually just got a text from my boss. One of my bosses asking if I could come in. No, I'm not coming in. I got 2 days off in a row. Finally, it's the first time in like 2 weeks I had 2 days off in a row. So I'm gonna take advantage of it. It's real late, as y'all can see. Sun already going down, not much daylight, but I'm about to just do some basic stuff on this car. I still gotta order the bell housing bolt so I can mount the transmission up, and I still gotta get that one bolt that's stuck in the engine out. So that stuff, I'm gonna order those bolts tonight, and that bolt that's stuck in the engine I'm probably gonna tackle tomorrow. But anyways, yeah, I'm about to go ahead, finally get this old brake fluid about this brake fluid housing. So I'm about to do that. I got a little Chick-fil-A cup that I just had to put it in, and then I got my new stuff right here, and then I finally figured out how to get that clutch line in from the bottom, and it was in my face the whole time. It actually is a grommet in the way, so I'm gonna show y'all that.
I'm outside in it. I'm
Now I could go ahead and pour the new brake fluid in there, and we were about to see, oh my god, oh my god, this fluid is clear. Oh my god. I'm moving a little too fast, but I just remembered I don't have the line connected to anything on the inside of the car. So before I fill this up more, I'm gonna go under the car and show y'all how I can push that line up and through there. Let me get the line out the car. This is probably like my 4th time throughout this thing getting this singular clutch line from out of the car. It's crazy. But yeah, let's get this through. All right, here I am under the car. The engine is right here in front of me, and when you're looking this way to the engine, to the left right here, I don't know if you guys can see it right here. It's a little cutout kinda. Let me get the light for you guys. It's like this cutout right here in this area. I have to take that out, and that is supposedly where that line goes in through. So let me try it.
I let it fall, my heart, does it feel you reclaim it? It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees will fall too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say they were never true,
All right, so now y'all can see the hole right here. If you come from, let me see if I can get an angle. If you come from this way, you should be able to see the carpet right there. So there's the carpet. Another reason why I say I am not a tutorial, because I end up having to take the gas pedal off. As y'all can see right here, took a bolt out, that holds the bracket that holds the gas pedal on. And Now y'all, I'm sure y'all can see that hole right there. So now I'm gonna just put some stuff on this carpet to hold it, or actually I'm gonna just have my sister come out here and tell her to pull the carpet so it can have some tension. That way I can get this bolt in there already. This light makes me look washed out crazy, but I just figured out that it's a little easier to, you don't have to put that line in from the top, because I mean from the bottom, put it in from the top of the car from the inside, because I'm gonna actually take it out. Nah, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. All right, so this is the line, right? This is the line. This is the part of the line that's gonna be under the car. This grommet, it didn't come like this. It came like in the middle right here. So that's why I thought that it needed to be there. It needs to be below this corner, basically sitting on top of the part that goes under the car. Now, when you put it in through the top, I mean from the bottom, you have to push it and then twist it around, and then the carpet's in the way. You got to get somebody to hold the carpet or get something heavy enough to put on top of the carpet so the carpet don't move. You can just pull the carpet with one hand and push this one section, because this is all that's going under the car. Just push it through and you can line it up perfectly. So I had my sister come out here for no reason, and I struggled for like 5-10 minutes with this for no reason. So I'm gonna reinstall it and push this in from the top, and I'm gonna try and record it for y'all.
I ain't got a clue, bro.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind. My mind is.
So, and it sits something like that. Now that I got that up, I could go ahead, push this carpet back, get everything put together, and finally throw my clutch and brake pedal on. So this is where this line connects onto there, and then the bottom right here is where that line that we pulled in from, that we pushed in, the hard line goes in at the bottom right here. So I'm gonna put this on. This is frustrating me. The clutch line, I end up taking it off so I could put it on at the bottom first. Got it on at the bottom. It was a struggle, and then I came up here and it was too long, so I cut it and now it's too short. So now I have one more chance to get this right, because I don't even know where the line is. I have an extra piece of line in here. This one. This line, as you can see, is mad long. It don't need to be this long. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the line off, which means I have to cut the zip ties that's holding my wires together, because those are in the way. I have to take those off, take the clutch pedal and the brake pedal back off to get it off and get the line on at the bottom, and then I have to put it on at the top. So it's a lot of work, so I gotta do this again, and after this I'm done for the night. I was gonna start removing like my automatic shifter that I already have in the car, but I'm gonna just wait till tomorrow. All right, I finally got a day off, and it's pretty good outside. It's like 56 degrees. Sun is out. It's about 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, something like that. I just took the shifter out, as y'all seen. Just took that out. I'm gonna throw this transmission in, and getting this transmission in is gonna be the end of this video. But part 4 is gonna be me actually getting this car driving. So, because right now, I don't know if it drive or not. Well, I know it started before I took the automatic transmission out. But I can't start it right now because the transmission not in and the starter is connected to the transmission. A whole bunch of difficult stuff. So yeah, put this transmission in. If it start, I'll drive it right now. But I also gotta get the cooling system back connected. So yeah, part 4 is gonna be driving the car. But let's throw this transmission in.
All these thoughts I'm troubling, starting to give up my pain, fighting to be on my lane, my mind, running to the other side, when it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out, tell you what I need, right yet, I really need time. Ain't that some bad? Ain't that some bad? Ain't that some back home, buddies in the field, mud on the wheels, yeah, ain't that some thick smoke, Silverado, tearing up a 2-lane road, ain't that some C-O-U-N-T-R-Y, shit we've been doing since we was J-High, there's folks out there ain't T-R-Y, this, man, ain't that some shit, ain't that some back home, buddies in the field, mud on the wheels, yeah, ain't that some thick smoke, Silverado, tearing up a 2-lane road, ain't that some C-O-U-N-T-R-Y, shit we've been doing since we was J-High, there's folks out there ain't T-R-Y, this, man, ain't that some shit. Silverado, tearing up a 2-lane road. Ain't that some C-O-U-N-T-R-Y? Shit we've been doing since we was J-High. There's folks out there in T-R-Y. This, man, ain't that some shit? Ain't that some back home, boys in the field, mud on the wheels. Yeah, ain't that some big smoke, Silverado, tearing up a 2-lane road. Ain't that some C-O-U-N-T-R-Y? Shit we've been doing since we was J-High. There's folks out there in T-R-Y. This, man, ain't that some shit? South, the blue course going down just like that setting sun on my OZ 71. I know it's cliche to sing Chevrolets, cold beers and Fridays, but that's just the way it is out here. Ain't that some back home, buddies in the field, mud on the wheels, yeah, ain't that some thick smoke, Silverado, tearing up a 2-lane road, ain't that some C-O-U-N-T-R-Y, shit we've been doing since we was J-High, there's folks out there in T-R-Y, this, man, ain't that some shit, ain't that some back home, buddies in the field, mud on the wheels, yeah, ain't that some thick smoke, Silverado, tearing up a 2-lane road, ain't that some C-O-U-N-T-R-Y, shit we've been doing since we was J-High, there's folks out there in T-R-Y, this, man, ain't that some shit, ain't that some, 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 ain't that some shit, ain't that some, 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 ain't that some shit.
All the girls. I know there's somebody who loves me. Somebody who really loves me. And that's all I need. We get my every turn up another night. We smoking back
exactly what she smelling like a rat. Love in her panties, tryna get out in her crack. Friends are my friends and they try to get gas. Her name is Angel, but she's far from God. Say they don't pay well to fall in love. Must be the start, but something's lying in love. Not my exit was bad, but you find out. Oh, no, no, no. Yeah, yeah. Somebody who loves me in the building. Somebody who feels me in the building. We throw 50,000 in the ceiling. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We in Miami turning up another night. We took the trophy, let the shorties take a yacht. We all in Santos, I rented out the spot. Friends, all of my friends, and they tryna get God. Her name is Angel, but she must forgot. She said her bestie wanna get home and swap. I said I'm shy, baby, and ain't doing a lot. I'm tryna do more than bust down your wide. I need somebody who gon' meet me at the top. Who's out there for me? Who's out there for me? Who's out there for me? Say they don't pay well to fall in love. I need the stars or something lining up. Thought my ex-bitch was bad, but you find out. Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Somebody who loves me in the building. Somebody who feels me in the building. We throw 50,000 in the ceiling. Oh, yeah. I know there's somebody who loves me. Somebody who really loves me. And that's all I need. Yeah.
Let her bother me now. Niggas ain't getting no money, tell them quit that cap. Niggas ain't getting no money, tell them quit that capping. Yeah. He need be relaxing, he need did your taxes. We went triple platinum, won't wanna hear no nagging. Made it happen. Young and out there, bottom buddy, made it happen. I don't wanna make no friends, put me to my hands. Who we think he is, in that brand new Benz. They should've knew I was coming, just still a youngin', I knew I'd give me some money. Know I turned nothing to something, I look at your cousin, the youngest, he's me and it right. And I promise to keep it 100, keep it 100. You see me down in the house, so you got to respect me. Fuck you, give me my check, please. Youngin' chasing dreams, reaching for the stars. See all you can be, either you gon' starve. Youngin' out that bottom, but he beat the odds. Yeah, you gon' lie, had it hard. But now I'm richer than I've ever been. I'm richer than I've ever been. Yeah, I'm richer than I've ever been. I'm richer than I've ever been. I'm richer than ever. Whipping a Tesla, cost hoes, etc. Hit them with pressure. My niggas won't let up. Tell them niggas to catch up. Wake up, got a million in diamonds that sit on the dresser. Run up that check now, I'm flexing my muscles. I feel like cause we come from nothing new rollies and plaques. Fake love, I'm just holding them back. Flashbacks while you pouring the yak. Since a young nigga, he just wanted to shine. Used to daydream about thumbing through racks. He tuck and get cold in the rack. Tears fall while he loading the strap. Seen it all, he just wanna relax. I'm richer than I ever been. Put my heart before the bag, worst shit I ever did. Gave you a second chance and you laugh again. Remember days I used to wonder will we ever win. Youngin' chasing green, reaching for the stars. See all you can be, either you gon' starve. Youngin' out that bottom, but he beat the odds. Yeah, you gon' lie, had it hard. I'm richer than I've ever been. I'm richer than I've ever been. Yeah, I'm richer than I've ever been. I'm richer than I've ever been, ever been. He richer than he ever been, ever been. drip, they set it up, I got them on it. I bought a new paddock, got it going too long. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. It ain't your car, you just a Lisa, you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that fly when I'm performing. The back end just came in and out running. Vibes a little cute shit, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run. I know they hating on me, but I don't be coming. Whenever I tell her to come, she come. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't burning. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the ground. I'm this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the ground. I'm this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made.
Every other night another dollar get made. Every other night something with a day. I feel like a child, I got boogers in the face. I'm dancing in the dollar, this shit is a parade. I don't want no train, I'm gon' want another slave. I had that Jordan, not too many bitches getting saved. See that nigga rest me, so I took a private plane. These pussy niggas like a while I'm working on my aim. Drip too hard, charge to the car. Designer to the grind, like a balance by the name. Drip too hard, caution on the floor. You gon' fuck around the ground, try and ride a nigga away.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the ground. I'm this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the ground. I'm this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care.
Yeah, I got it on, so I'm gonna show y'all what I got. So I may be taking this transmission off a lot sooner than I hoped, because I don't think this is important, but you never know with cars what's important and what's not important. Like, it literally was just, let me show y'all on the, so this is the automatic. So I actually took the pin out from here to use on the manual, but it was a pin that goes into this hole and it sticks out. And when it does, it just goes into the starter to, like, I guess hold it together or whatever. So it literally just goes over the pin like that, and the pin goes into the starter. But you have 2 starter bolts to pull it together. So I don't really know why it's important. I'm glad it fell out and it didn't fall into the transmission, because that would have been the whole thing. But yeah, so I'm gonna just show y'all where we at, and I'm gonna just keep putting the bolts on, and hopefully we be good, and I can just start throwing the car back together. All right, so I got the transmission all in place. The only thing I'm gonna do before I start putting the engine mounts back on is put the shifter on. So I'm about to do that so that we could have a shifter, obviously. So I'm gonna put the shifter on, and then I gotta run to the store so I can I need a wrench to be able to get the center bearing off the drive shaft, because I bought a new one already, and I'm gonna just replace it while I already have it out. I could do it in the future, but I'd rather just do it now. So yeah.
Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made.
Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl. Let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the club, show the whole world. Yeah. Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma at you like Leslie. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me. Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake an ass.
Hey, as y'all seen, I just put the shifter in, so that's in now. Now, before I go to the store, I'm gonna just throw these engine mounts on real quick, because that's probably gonna be a challenge. And then the only thing I have to do after that is put the drive shaft in, which if I run out of sunlight, then I can do that tomorrow before I go to work. So let's get to this.
With your homegirls, take a pic for the Yeah. Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky.
All right, man, as y'all see, we got the transmission in, the drive shaft is in, and everything is basically ready to go. The only thing is, as you've seen in the video, the clip I just played, the transmission is being held up by the jack. That's because I don't want it to slouch down any with the drive shaft connected. So I'm gonna leave that on until my new transmission bracket gets in. And once that gets in, I can just bolt that on and it'll hold the transmission up, take the jack down. And that's it for part 3, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope it's way better than part 1 and part 2. Hope it's a lot more of me actually working on the car, not me just yapping to y'all. Because I tried to film a lot more and stop talking to the camera. It's kind of hard because I'm trying to explain, but it's also not a tutorial. So I don't really need to explain everything, but I also want y'all to be informed on what y'all looking at and what's going on in the video. But everything is done. The only thing is, I gotta throw my radiator and stuff back in, get my cooling system hooked back up. I'm not gonna put that in here. I'm gonna just do it. And then the only thing is, get this joint running and drive it. So yeah, part 4 is gonna be up. Part 4 is gonna be me driving this car and this car running around the streets wild, you know? So yeah, hope y'all like, comment, subscribe, share this video with a friend that you think might enjoy it. And God bless, have an amazing day. Peace.